LP4 students, welcome again to our science class with Ms. Ida, and we are now on chapter 4, Different Habitats. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this video lesson, we're going to learn two topics. Lesson A, Animals and their Habitats. For Lesson B, Surviving Habitats. For Lesson A, we're going to learn that different animals are found in different habitats and learn that animals are suited to their habitats. For our chapter trigger questions, what habitat is shown? What are some of the plants and animals that live in this habitat? What do you think, children? Take your time to answer and don't forget to send it in the Google Classroom. For our thinking cap, I wonder which animals live in habitats around me. Let's try to find out. What are some habitats? A habitat is a place in which an animal lives. A habitat provides the animal with food, water, and shelter. There are many habitats on the earth. There are deserts, mountains, grasslands, forests, and polar regions. There are also aquatic habitats including oceans, rivers, and lakes. Let's start with the polar regions. They are cold and there is ice all around. Animals there are suited to live in very low temperatures. Polar bears, Arctic foxes, snowy owls, harp seals, and penguins live in the polar regions. What about in deserts? Deserts are hot and have dry soil. There is very little rainfall. Animals living there have to be suited to the heat. Desert rats, camels, fennec foxes, tarantulas, and rattlesnakes live in deserts. Are you familiar with these animals, children? What about the next habitat? Tropical rainforests. They are usually warm, very humid, and wet. Animals there are suited to live among the trees and plants. Tigers, tree frogs, orangutans, toucans, snakes, and leaf insects live in rainforests. What about the next habitat? Grasslands. They are wide, open areas where mostly grass and flowers grow. Animals there are suited to live in the large, open spaces. Hyenas, zebras, ostriches, termites, and elephants live in grasslands. What about the oceans? Oceans have water that contains a lot of salt. Most animals there are suited to breathe underwater. Other animals can hold their breath underwater for a long time. Dolphins, sharks, octopuses, turtles, and sea cucumbers live in oceans. This is very amazing, children, right? And for our tech talk, scientists use wildlife cameras to take pictures or videos of animals in their habitats. The cameras are hidden in trees and rocks so animals are not frightened away. These pictures and videos are used to observe and collect information which helps to protect these animals. They also provide scientists with view of rarely seen animals. And for lesson B, it's all about surviving habitats. We will learn that plants and animals can survive in environments other than their habitats. For our lesson trigger, where do you think the seabirds are going? Why do you think they are going there? For our thinking cap, can a camel or a cactus live in an environment that is different from its habitat? What do you think, children? Each plant and animal needs specific environments for them to survive in their habitat, such as food, water, and shelter. Plants and animals can live in other habitats as long as they have protection from predators. There is plenty of food and shelter from extreme temperatures and a place to bring up their young. And that ends our video lesson for today. Thanks for watching. See you in our class. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.